It's a blistering 40 degrees outside, or maybe a freezing 0. You eat a massive cake, or you skip breakfast entirely. The external world is a storm of constant change. Yet inside your body, a state of near-perfect balance is maintained every second. This is homeostasis. From the Greek for same and steady, it's the fundamental silent goal of all your body's systems. This stability is governed by a simple, elegant rule: negative feedback. Think of it as your body's thermostat. A sensor, like nerve cells in your skin, detects a change from the norm. A control center, usually your brain's hypothalamus, processes the alert. And an effector, like your sweat glands, carries out the command to reverse that change. If you get hot, the system works to make you cold, pulling you back to your ideal set point. Take temperature. Stray too far from 37.5 degrees Celsius, and your body's vital proteins start to fail. If you get too hot, blood vessels near your skin widen to radiate heat away, while sweat uses your own warmth to evaporate, cooling you down. Too cold? Those vessels constrict, pulling warm blood to your core to protect vital organs, while involuntary shivering generates a burst of heat. It's the same for energy. After you eat, the pancreas releases insulin, which tells your cells to open their gates and absorb sugar. When sugar is low, it sends out a different hormone, glucagon, telling the liver to release its stored reserves. And all the while, your kidneys masterfully manage water balance, deciding whether to recycle every last drop or flush out the excess. This isn't a static state. It's a dynamic, relentless dance of correction, a silent, invisible system that allows the fragile miracle of you to exist in a world that is anything but balanced.